Hi, and just continuing to talk about the PSM II course and how it helps build your skills and practices to enable you to have a conversation dealing with organizational challenges and helping you level out your skill level. I think this one's rather topical at the moment. We see there's a lot of stuff on LinkedIn, social media. There's been a, a whole movement to shed Scrum Masters. And I was reflecting on this and discussing it with various folks, and I'm curious, is it because most Scrum Masters were so focused on their team, they weren't working with their broader organization? Now, this ties into how are you hanging out with your product owner? What are you doing to help them? Are you working with your stakeholders? What about your approach to impediments? Do you pass the buck? Are you actively crossing organizational boundaries and silos and finding out what's really preventing your team getting to done? Are you pushing back? Are you asking for money? Are you seeking senior leadership help? Are you challenging senior leadership if they're pushing on your team for something that just doesn't fit in the Agile way? How are you living the dream? So the PSM II course helps you reflect on how you're helping your team, your product owner, and your wider organization. How are you empathizing with your managers? A further lens to look at is how you're demonstrating the value you're delivering. And this is the evidence-based management approach, which we touch on but don't explore too deeply in this course. But there's some other training out there, or even just read the EVM guide. Summing it all up, the PSM II is a collaborative course that helps you explore some practices and some time and space to reflect and think about how you can really help level up your game outside your team. Be great to see you on a course.